What I'm about to show you right now is exactly what you need to start doing as a trader. I'm not going to bore you with a lot of talk. Let's just get down to business and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. If you look at the top corner here, you will see that this is a chart of a USD CHF in 4 hours time frame. Before we start, I want to say that you need to have at least a basic knowledge of trading, because everything I'm going to say involves all your knowledge about trading, starting from market structure, liquidity, order blocks, fair value gaps, resistance and support levels, name it. So you need to have at least a good knowledge, a basic knowledge actually about trading. So I'm going to discuss how this particular movement came about. It happened last week, and I took trades, about 3 trades in this particular movement last week, even the NFP that happened on Friday. So I'm going to explain how everything happened and how you find opportunities in the market in this way. So let me just separate this week, that's last week, from the 2 weeks ago with this vertical line. So from here is Monday and everything about last week, and this is 2 weeks ago. Looking at this point from daily time frame, the market is in an uptrend. This particular chart is in an uptrend. This line you are seeing here is the trend line, and at this point there is another block from daily time frame which I marked off. If you look at this, you see this is order block, this is a line for order block, and then here you see that there is a liquidity before this particular order block, and market traded into that order block on Friday. So I want to show you exactly what you need to do in a situation like this. So here, this is the high of the candle that's formed on Friday, and then this is the low of the candle. Now, market pushed very fast. If you look at this bearish candle you are seeing here, it has no wicks. It means that the sellers in the market are very strong and trying to push the market down up to this order block and also the trend line, as you can see. So what happened? The next candle that formed after it is a doji candle. This doji candle indicates that there is an indecision in the market. This is 4 hours time frame, and this doji candle in 4 hours time frame signifies a strong message in the market, showing you that you need to be careful because the market is about to reverse. So the next candle that's formed after it is also a bearish candle, but it has long wicks up and down with a small body, showing you that there is still a kind of indecision in the market. And then on Monday, the next candle that was formed in this 4 hour time frame was a bullish candle. This is a strong signal showing you that the market has changed structure, because this is a candlestick pattern showing that the market has changed structure, because everything is happening at a key zone, in another block, and on a trend line in an uptrend. So going down to hourly time frame, you will see how everything is so clear and how I got the opportunity to be in those trades last week. Now, from hourly time frame, this is how it is. So this is that Friday candle that was formed, and this is the top, this is the high of that Friday candle, as you can see. So on Monday, market opened here and traded above this particular level, which is a break of structure, and when it broke this particular level, it created a fair value gap near it. So and traded into that particular fair value gap in London session. So I entered this trade at this point, and the market was able to take out Friday high, as you can see, up to this level. So now this is a clear indication that the market has changed structure. So what do you expect as a smart trader? The next day, what you should be expecting is a bullish candle. even subsequent days, you should be expecting a bullish candle because the market has changed structure. So that is exactly because I took this trade too on Tuesday, because that is my expectation. Because I'm expecting a bullish candle, I will wait for the accumulation and then the manipulation, then I join the distribution of the candle. So this Friday high will turn to a support level for the market to return into, and then I should join it. So everything just worked out exactly. After the accumulation in Asia session, in London session, I saw an opportunity. I took the trade exactly at this point. I joined the distribution. Then this is also another opportunity to trade the market on Wednesday here. But I was still in this trade. I didn't close this trade at this point. I was still in this trade up to this level. Then on Thursday, there was a retracement in the market which returned to this particular level, this resistance level, which is now a support level. So I took this trade of an NFP on Friday, which finally took out this particular level. So this is how you're supposed to see the market and read the market as a trader. You need to be smart about trading. You need to watch out what candles are showing you. So candles are telling you or giving you information about what is happening or what is going on. So you need to be very careful as a trader, more especially in 4 hours time frame or daily time frame. This sends a strong signal. If you understand how to read your candle carefully and know your bias, mostly daily bias and weekly bias, you will make a lot of money in the market. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting more of these kind of videos. So see you in the next one and remain profitable.